Hey, what's going on, y'all? Master Teacher of Attraction back with another video, and I wanted to show you guys something. Now, this is going to be a video in relation to dating, meeting people, okay? Specifically for men, because I don't see too many women approaching. They do it sometimes. I've had it happen. I can count on one hand throughout, almost 30 years of my existence within this lifetime. But forget all that. Excuse me, let me get that out the way. It is finally time to unveil my new audio visual lesson. Okay? And I'm showing you guys these player cards. Alright? So I'm going to teach you how to have player cards sent to you. Those are my old ones. How to have player cards sent to you custom to let me get this. Okay. Let me show it to you like that. So they sent me all these cards and they look just like this. Okay. That way I can hand these to a woman in the grocery store, and the gym, at the club, if you go to the club. I can hand these to any woman, okay? And what's going to happen is my contact information is on here. This will allow a woman to choose, okay? This is the easiest way to approach a woman, okay? And have things simplified. I'm going to be teaching you with my new audio visual lesson that you can go find somewhere in the description link or on the bio of this page. If it's YouTube, there's also a link in the bio now as well. If this is Facebook, there's a link in the bio of this whole entire page or YouTube channel. And you can go there and you will find the sales page to go ahead and make a purchase. And then it's going to send you the link to a video after you pay on how I made this happen. Okay, that way you keep this on your person, keep this in your wallet, keep it in your bag, keep it on you, because you can come into contact with a chick every time you walk out the door, and this is gonna smooth out your cold approach, because that's what you're gonna have to end up doing most of the time. So this is gonna smooth it out, and then you just talk. This will help separate the interested women from the non-interested women. All you got to do is make sure when you see a woman that make you say, damn, you make sure this gets into a hand of an interested woman that's showing you that, she's interested in you when you make an approach. Ask her if she's single. If she says she's not single, I have a boyfriend, she's clearly not interested in you. Because most 9 times out of 10 they be lying about that. But they just tell you they got a boyfriend because that's an indirect way of saying no. Okay? So don't be trying to force the issue. Okay? Leave that young lady alone and let her go on about her business. But if she says, yes, I'm single, even if she lying, she wants you. Okay? But either way, we going to act like she's telling the truth. You make sure this card get in her hand. And then when she contact you, like I had 2 women contact me today, okay, to the number that I have on this phone. So from there, I can set up a time and date to go ahead and meet the young ladies, okay? So I'm going to be showing you guys how to do that, okay? It's already set, ready to go. You make a payment through Stripe. After you make that payment through Stripe, it's gonna take you to the video on how it is that I made this happen, and they sent it directly to my doorstep in less than a week or 2. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys this. I do have camera glasses. I want to show you guys how to use this when I do make approaches. Okay, I want to show you guys that because now I got some glasses to show y'all some shit. All right. So go ahead, y'all tap in with this so y'all can learn how to do this. Make your own custom made. It ain't got to look like mine, but just see how it pops out. That bad boy pops out. She remembers. I got pictures on there. She knows how I look when like a week goes past or, a couple days. She like, man, how did that dude look when when he came up to me? Because there's about 5 other guys that came up to me, but they ain't had no game. Boom. Like, damn, he fine. He fine. That's what they going to be saying. Okay, that's what they're going to be saying about you. So y'all go ahead and tap in. It's a new joint I just made. And it's in the link tree link within the bios of the social medias that we got on Master Teacher of Attraction. All right, y'all. Peace.